Hai guys, perkenalkan nama saya Dinda Mutiara Dinta, biasa dipanggil Dinda. Jadi di video kali ini saya ingin memberikan video yang berjudul tentang wawancara bersama dosen dengan bertema perguruan tinggi. Nah, jadi di sini tuh saya mewawancarai beberapa dosen untuk tugas bahasa Inggris ini. Jadi untuk kalian, untuk kakak-kakak, untuk adik-adik yang penasaran banget apa sih isi dari video tersebut, nah di situ tuh kayak aku mau mewawancarai beberapa dosen tentang perguruan tinggi untuk memenuhi syarat UTS aku. Jadi sebelum itu kita langsung aja nonton videonya ya guys. Bye bye.
Hah? Aduh pusing, pala otak, pala Barbie pusing, bolak-balik, maju, mundur, maju, mundur, maju, mundur, maju, mundur. Anjay pusing banget coy.
Oh my god.
Tapi bohong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok?
Few moments later.
Question number 1, in your opinion, what are the main difference between studying in university and in high school?
They have a basic different differentiation. Mostly is about how they think, the way they think, and using their analysis, and also how they can differentiate between the theory and what happens in the society.
Question number 2, what are the biggest challenges that students face in completing their studies?
What studies? Bisa dilanjutkan?
What are the biggest challenges that students face in completing their studies?
Or completing their studies. You mean in communication science or globally? Or communication? Maybe at these days it's about the cross generation and then the using of technology like learning module system, and also they're facing like AI and also the tools for learning, ebook, internet, and then also the character of the students, and also how they can elaborate that to their activity in study.
How do lecture motivasi students to keep learning even when they face difficulties?
Like in English, I give the students freedom to choose the modes how they want to learn English. Maybe like from music, from the books, from the movies, from the podcast, from live streaming. It depends from the students because each student has their own different way to learn something.
How can the university instill value of ethics and social responsibility in students?
Sorry, can you repeat the first sentence?
How can the university instill values of ethics and social responsibility in students?
You mean how the university encourage the student from the values? Our university has two basic values, humanist and religious, yeah, so religion and humanist values set as a foundation because our campus is inclusive, yeah, it's an inclusive university. Like they accept the disadvantaged students, they accept many regions of students, and then also from different basic cultures. That's what makes the campus encourage the value from humanist and religious.
Last question. What are your expectations of students after they graduate from this university?
My expectations are the students who already graduated, they're accepted in the society, especially in competition, and they can also build or grow or make or create their own business, and also they can collaborate with other competitors from other universities. Yeah, although we are as a private university, but our graduated students have the same level of competence. I hope that's my expectation from the students.
Thank you very much for your time and answer. I really appreciate the explanation you are providing.
You're welcome. Good luck next time. Yeah.
Lepaskan saya! Hei, kamu! Lepaskan saya! Saya ketua Lanun di lautan ni! Oh, okey. Ini bukan lautan, ha?
Oke guys, itu baru satu dosen aja nih. Dan aku akan kasih lihat lagi ke kalian ada lanjutannya lagi, video selanjutnya lagi ya guys ya. Dan jangan di skip guys, soalnya ini tuh kayak ada sambungannya lagi gitu, ada dosen berikutnya. Dan kemarin gak ada yang cukup jelas nggak nih guys jawaban dari Bu Utinya guys. Kalian kalau misalkan kedengeran like-nya untuk aku. Dan guys, langsung aja kita lanjut ke video selanjutnya ya guys. Bye bye.
Dinda, oke.
I am a student from Communication Science in University Pamulang.
University in Science Communication. Okay?
The first question.
You have 5 questions. First question, please.
One question, in your opinion, what are the main differences between studying in university and in high school?
In high school, because the level is different. Yeah, in middle level, in high level. So when you have a high school level, the high school level still using almost 100% guidance from the teacher or the lecturer. But in university level, campus level, college, most of it they use the what we call the merdeka belajar, how to learn about something by your ability. So the teacher only guide and watch about your process in learning. That's the difference, yeah. Low level and high level.
Okay. Question number 2. What are the biggest challenges that students face in conducting their studies?
In my opinion, I think it's from their internal, the intern aspect. When they feel bored, and then when they have a problem, perhaps problem with their personal, problem with their friend, and it will cause, it will affect to their eager in learning. So it will, what we call, it will make them fail in learning something.
Question number 3. How do lecture motivate student to keep learning even when they face difficulties?
So when they have difficulties, the students, and how the lecture can make them still have their what we call the spirit, yeah, their what we call their soul to learn about something. So me as a lecturer, I will always tell them about what will this affect, what will this education affect in the future. So, as we talked before, that if you have a low level or not good in education, that your life will ruin your life. But if you have a good education, at least you can prove yourself and you can use your knowledge and ability to earn something perhaps at least for yourself.
Number 4. How can the university instill values of ethics and social responsibility in students?
Please repeat your question. How
Can the university instill
instill
bukan salah instill instill
Di Indonesia kan dulu apa maksudnya, nanti di
instill
instill beda kata di instill.
May I have the word? Which one? What are you? How can university what is the meaning instill? Apa artinya instill? No, you have the questions. I don't know the question. Value of ethics and social responsibility in student. Instinct or instinct? Yeah, this is your question. Values, ethics, and social responsibility in students. So, I see. So, how the university can make the student has a good attitude? Yeah, I think that the role of the university in making the student be able to behave in the good things, it's very important. Yeah, the role is very big. Yeah, the role of the university, how to proceed the student to be better in ethics and attitude, yeah, by giving them the knowledge, by giving them the understanding about how to behave, how to have the good ethic for the normal students. Okay, so it has a good role, big role. Okay.
Last question. What are your expectations of students after they graduate from this university?
Of course, all the lecture or the expectation of the lecture, they expect the students will be better and success in their life. That is, the lectures will.
Okay. Thank you very Thank you very much for your time and answer. I really appreciate the explanation you are providing.
Okay, you're welcome.
I
Okay.
think
Yes.
A few moments later.
Oke guys, gimana tadi videonya, seru nggak nih? Dan penjelasannya itu kalian paham gak, dan suaranya juga guys. Kalau misalnya suaranya agak gak kedengaran, aku minta maaf banget untuk kalian ya. Maaf banget karena suaranya mungkin kurang kedengaran ya guys ya. Dan aku terima kasih banget untuk kalian yang sudah nonton. Thank you so much for everything guys. Kalau misalkan kalian suka sama video aku, jangan lupa kalian like, comment, dan share ya guys ya video.
Thank you guys. Sehat-sehat kalian dan jaga diri kalian. Dan ingat guys, kalian sudah melalui banyak rasa sakit. Kalian kuat, kalian bisa lalui lebih banyak rasa sakit itu. Karena sekali lagi guys, gue bilang ke kalian guys, Tuhan gak akan memberikan cobaan yang tidak disanggupi oleh hambanya guys. Semua yang kalian lalui itu guys sudah sejalan Tuhan. Dan Tuhan tahu kalian bisa melalui itu ya. Kalian kuat guys, thank you. Brando Winda, signing out.
Akhirnya,